Don't scroll away, because what you're about to see will redefine AI security for schools, factories, and logistics operations. Meet the ACTi A427 A428, a next-gen AI camera delivering superior image quality, deep analytics, workforce safety monitoring, and operational insights in one powerful device. First, exceptional 4MP image quality in low light. With a 1 by 1.8 foot sensor, 0.0005 lux color, 50 MIR, 140 dB WDR, and up to 120 frames per second, the A427 A428 captures every face and detail even in dark corridors, night shift lines, or loading zones. It's not just high resolution, it's precision for incident review and reliable evidence in any lighting environment. Second, AI physical security analytics. The camera detects intrusion, line crossing, crowd density, facial recognition, and appearance attributes. It warns staff of unauthorized access in schools, blocks unapproved entry in factories, and protects assets in logistics centers. This transforms security from reactive to proactive, cutting manual patrols and stopping risks early. Third, workforce safety and compliance. The system auto-detects safety helmets and monitors worker status. Ideal for industrial zones, forklift routes, and school event setups, it delivers instant alerts and complete audit logs, reducing accidents, improving compliance, and minimizing liability without manual supervision. Fourth, business intelligence. People counting, queue management, and heat maps reveal crowd flow and bottlenecks. Schools track cafeteria peaks, factories find production slowdowns, and logistics centers forecast congestion, turning video into data that improves staffing, workflow, and resource efficiency. Why choose A427 A428? It delivers access-level AI performance, plus deeper facial analytics and built-in business intelligence, while saving customers 30% to 50%. More capability, lower cost, and greater value for integrators seeking better results with optimized budgets. If you're upgrading school security, industrial safety, or logistics operations, the A427 A428 is the AI camera you need. Contact us to discover how it enhances efficiency, reduces risk, and builds smarter, safer environments.